Hey guys, so here's a clear coat where it just peeled off. You see that? All right, what do you do when your paint job does this? There's a lot of good operating cars. Clear coat comes off and you got this, and then you got this. This is exposed color base coat. But look at this right here. Look how nice that came out, okay? So this is color base coat that's been polished back. We got the product for it. It's called Lukat Fix It. That's it right there. Okay, this will bring this back. You see the shine on that thing? And all you have to do is put it on. It's a paint cleaner. You get it at lukatdetail.com, and that's it right there. Ben, come here. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put some on here. Remember, this is not wax, it's cleaner. When you're working with color base coat, you're gonna get this thing going on like this. Okay, you can clean it in sections. Like you can do half this hood today, come back, finish the rest tomorrow or next week. All you're gonna do is clean it. It doesn't cut like a regular cutter, so it's not rubbing compound like what you would buy to cut with. This is gonna clean the contamination off, remove the buildup, and what you end up with is the original state of the paint job. In this case, it's the color base coat that's underneath the clear coat. It's still good. Can they see the reflection?
Oh yeah.
See that? Okay. So it's called Lukat Fix It, guys, for color base coat. Now you want to use the other one, the one that's called Easy Sealer Wax. We just don't have it because look it, there's no wax on here. This is a cleaning polish, and you can get it at lukatdetail.com. That's our website. Check it out. And you seen the reflection? Yeah. All right, guys. So remember, you don't have to drive around with that flat, ugly paint job. You know, watch our videos, learn how to fix these things. They're easy. You just gotta have the right product. This is the right product for bringing back an old paint job like this. Later, guys.
And be sure to like and subscribe.